How did it come to this? Is this the end? Dream cars are not built. They are the physical manifestation of a promise you made to yourself. These used to mean freedom. I really don't know what to do. How can I fix my car? I got a problem starting the car, got a crack in the front bumper, crack in the rear bumper, and probably more problems I will unveil.
You can never fix the car.
You can never fix the car.
You can never fix the car.
Your dreams are never coming true.
Your dreams are
You
never
might as well
coming
burn
true.
it. You might as well burn it.
Your dreams never coming true.
Every time I sleep, I'm having nightmares. I cannot stop believing in my dreams. I need to accomplish my goals. I won't let anything crush my dreams. I'll keep pushing and get this fixed. Most people won't understand this, but this poor car, it's just not right. It won't be right to do it to this car. We gotta revive it. We gotta make it whole. We gotta give it a second chance. We gotta do it. We just gotta do it. We know the car doesn't start. Could be a bad starter, but it doesn't sound like it. Could be a bad battery. Or one that is not charged. Let's start by getting the battery out. It's quite heavy. Let's put it here. I got this thing. I just wonder, would this work? It's a lithium battery charger, but I would bet that it might just work. Let me hack something so that we can charge this thing. I think I got it. Looking really good. I think this is it. Mission accomplished. The question remains, will this work or will it fail? This is something that will remain unknown for now. Maybe next time we will know.